How to clean your grill maker super fast / no time no efforts. It is very easy to cook and grill and serve. But the difficult part is to clean it after using. Here are some useful tips to clean your grill in no time and efforts. Just pour some lemon juice on the surface of your grill. Add some water and lemon juice and put this mixture in the grill. Wait for 15 minutes. And clean with tissue. It's so simple to clean stubborn stains from your grill. With the help of lemon, grill will clean properly and it smells also very good. No more bad nasty smell from your grill. Vinegar. Vinegar is also very much strongly helpful in cleaning grill and stoves. Just mix ½ cup vinegar and ½ cup water. Pour this mixture onto your grill. Leave it for 15 minutes and that's it. Clean with tissue or cloth. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more informative videos. Hit the like button. Share this video with your loved ones. Please comment below if you have anything to ask.